What are you doing? Don't fight me. Don't fight me. Wait, she's got a seat. She's trying to grab me. Put that seatbelt over it. Come on, get out. Get out. Let go of that mask. Come on.
Oh my God!
1:30 in the morning, Santa Rosa County, Florida. A woman had been sitting in a broken-down car for 3.5 hours. She'd been stopped by another unit earlier in the evening, same behavior. When the store clerk asked her to turn the music down, she started screaming. When the deputy arrived, she asked to get in the back seat and go to jail. He spent the next 5 minutes trying to find another option.
What's that?
No name.
I am here for you.
Oh, well, can I just go in the back seat and let's get this over with?
Go in the back seat and get you. Why do you want to go to jail?
What the fuck are you doing here?
Because the clerk called me for you.
The clerk's a piece of...
What is?
Does he not have long hair?
What's your name again?
Oh my God, Missy fucking...
All right, Missy fucking. What is your problem tonight?
I'm a bit angry.
You are obviously having a really, really bad day.
It may have been a bad decade, it may be a bad life. It's my choice.
Well,
just let me go to the back seat, hook me up. I hope you got the K9.
Why do I need
K9?
K9? No, why do I need a K9?
I don't know. I like to play with dogs, dumbass.
32.
And are you Baker after me or not? My car's broke down.
It's going to be the same subject from 178's traffic stop from earlier.
Christ.
So what is the problem tonight? Where are you trying to go?
Flomaton.
All right, well, you're a little ways from Flomaton.
No shit, and I'm too fucking fat to walk. That's the reason.
Okay, you can call an Uber.
I don't know how to do Uber, and you want me to pay Uber when they got a worse car? No, hell no. From here to Flomaton, you think I look rich? I don't even have my fake teeth in, dumbass. I can't see you. All I see is that red light. So either I will willingly, you know what?
What's that?
I think I shot a cop 2 states over.
You think you shot a cop 2 states over? What makes you think you shot a cop?
Because I like to play with a BB gun, and then all of a sudden my right eye got shot out. So I don't know if I shot him or he shot me. Can I go now?
Where are you going?
Okay.
Hello? Where are you going? Does your car drive? What was that? No? Okay. You need a tow truck? Okay. Well, pick up your phone and call a tow truck then.
I don't know how.
You dial 411 or you Google a tow truck company and you call them out here.
And then what? From here? It's like 100 miles. And don't they charge like $1 a mile or 10 cents a mile?
I have no idea.
Well, then go the fuck on unless you're not going to Baker act me.
Why do you want to go to the hospital?
Because I'm fucking tired and I like crafts.
Alright. Toodles? Wow. Well, let's hope your day goes better. You keep your music down. The Tom Thumb is asking you to keep your music down as well, okay?
Oh, tell him he can't even hear. Did you see how long his hair is?
221, 199.
And I don't mean to offend you because he was a little right up top.
221, stand by. 214, go ahead with your traffic.
This man's down to his ass. I thought it was
Neighbor Union Robert 17, ZUR 17. Starting mileage is
Good
946.
God, you're having a bad day.
946.
I'm sorry. I'm walking over here now. Well, she is certainly having a bad day.
Yeah, I understand.
We stopped her earlier, and she was acting the same way.
That's why I said she just seemed a little twitchy to me.
Uh-huh.
And like I said, I haven't said anything. It's been, well, it's 1:30. It's been 3.5 hours she's been sitting out there.
Okay.
And no problem. She just sat in her car, so I wasn't saying anything.
Right.
But then I was sitting out here smoking a cigarette. All of a sudden, music just started blasting out of her car. So I walked over to her and I asked her, tapped on the window and tried to ask her to turn it down. And she started screaming at me, just going, "Get away from me, get away from me, get away from me, get away from me."
Yeah.
And so I tried to talk over and say, "Look, you need to turn that down." I'm gonna have to call the police. Well, she just kept screaming at me, so that's when I called you guys.
Okay. She's not playing it now?
I'm sorry?
She's not playing the music now? What do you want to do?
Right before you got here, and it sounded like she had at least turned it down, because I think she saw me calling the police.
Okay. What do you want to do?
I can't sign a trespass warrant, so
Okay.
I was going to let her sit out there until my manager got in the morning and see what she wants to do about it.
Says the car broke down. I don't know how true that is.
Well, I know that she
Okay.
can't get it started.
All right, take care now. You too. 10-4. Hello? Hello?
Can I go now?
Well, you're free to leave at any time, but if you're going to stay here,
I gotta do what?
if you're going to stay here, the clerk wants you to keep the music down.
And the clerk is whose boss? Mine? I don't want.
You're on private property, yes.
Okay, so can we push me over there?
I'm not pushing you anywhere.
You got a damn puppy guy.
I'm not going to do that.
Well, then guess what?
What?
I'm gonna kill the clerk.
Then she said she was going to kill the store clerk. A verbal threat to kill a named third party establishes probable cause for detention in Florida. The welfare check was over. Charge 1 battery on a law enforcement officer. Florida Statute 784.07, intentionally touching or striking a law enforcement officer against their will. In Florida, spitting on an officer constitutes battery under this statute. 3rd-degree felony per count, no physical injury required. Charge 2, resisting officer with violence. Florida Statute 843.01, knowingly and willfully resisting, obstructing, or opposing a law enforcement officer through violence or by offering violence. 3rd-degree felony, up to 5 years. 3 separate acts were documented on Bodycam: a kick during ground control, spitting on a deputy, and grabbing at an officer during loading. 3 counts, 3 separate felonies. Under Graham versus Connor, 1989, force is evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. Ground control after a threat to a third party and active resistance holds. The deputy named the battery charge on camera in real time. You got yourself another charge as she spat. That statement is contemporaneous documentation of the act. 4 felony charges, $20,000 cash bond. She pled not guilty. The court ordered a psychological evaluation to determine if she was mentally fit to stand trial. Under the Baker Act Florida Statute 394.463, a person may be involuntarily examined for psychiatric evaluation when they appear to have mental illness and pose a danger to themselves or others. The indicators were present from the first minute of this footage. The request to be jailed, the statement about shooting a cop in another state, the threat to the clerk, the rapid escalation without apparent trigger. The judge ruled she was competent to stand trial. She has been in custody for over 100 days. Her next court appearance is July 30th. Deputy Harris, grade B. Patient beyond what the situation required. He spent 5 minutes trying to find a non-arrest outcome for someone who was asking to be arrested. He called for backup the moment she threatened a third-party correct sequence. He named the battery charge on camera. Solid documentation throughout. Under Graham versus Connor, ground control on a subject who had threatened a third party and was actively resisting sits within the accepted force continuum. 1 deduction: the Baker Act indicators were visible before the 2-minute mark of this contact. The request to be jailed. The 2-state cop story. The I like crafts response to why she wants to go to the hospital. A crisis co-responder at that point might have changed what happened next. He did his job correctly. He missed an earlier tool. Subject no grade. That is a deliberate decision. The court ordered a psychological evaluation before allowing the case to proceed. Legal accountability and mental health context are not mutually exclusive. She was ruled competent to stand trial. The charges are proceeding. What the footage also shows is someone who needed a mental health intervention long before she needed an arrest. 3 takeaways. 1. A verbal threat to kill a named person is not protected speech. In Florida, it establishes probable cause for detention. The moment she said those words, the welfare check became an arrest. 2. In Florida, Spitting on a law enforcement officer is battery, a third-degree felony per count. Contact is sufficient. No injury required. 3. The Baker Act exists for situations exactly like this one. It provides a mechanism for involuntary psychiatric examination before an encounter reaches ground control. The indicators were in the footage before the cuffs were mentioned. The absence of that response is the most important question this video raises. She has been in custody for over 100 days. Her case is still pending. Drop a comment. Should the Baker Act have been invoked before the encounter escalated? And was the deputy's response proportionate? Subscribe for weekly Bodycam legal breakdowns. We'll see you in the next one.
What time is it now?
32, roll me another unit.
It's 1:31. You go
Correct.
this way, I'll go this way, and I can grab you back in 2 minutes time instead of have one eye out.
Any unit in the area of Tom Thumb Hickory Hammock 32, do you want me to ask D3?
Uber's closer.
Should I just get out there?
I can't hear you. There you go.
Yeah, back it up, because you know you want me to stand behind there, put my hands in the back. I can put my own cuffs on, because your cuffs are never small enough.
Yeah, that could be real.
Thank you. So
Okay.
now can I go?
Alright, go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
Highway 87, Tom Thumb Hickory Hammock.
Put your hands behind your back. Just relax. Just relax.
You relax.
Drop your keys. Drop your keys.
No.
Drop your keys.
I said no.
Drop your keys or you're going to the floor.
You motherfucker. Look what your mama's
Give me
really
traffic.
fucking proud. Oh, did you get a kick in the back? Get the goddamn shit on right. Your cuffs are never small
28
enough.
26.
I will hand it to you in a minute.
Drop your fucking cuffs. Drop them. Drop your keys. Drop your fucking keys. Right fucking now. One detained. Give me traffic. Clear traffic. Would you stop that?
No!
What is your problem?
None of your fucking business!
What is your problem today? Oh, that's wonderful.
I like it, asshole.
I'm the asshole?
Yeah,
You've been giving everybody problems since early this evening.
I don't give a shit.
What is your problem?
Fuck off. Just carry me to the fucking car. You're gonna need zip.
Nope. Nope. Now we gotta wait for other units to get here.
I don't care.
What's your name again?
I don't remember.
You don't remember your name?
Nope.
Why not?
It's fine. So you can get your hand off.
Well, yeah, it's gonna hurt. When you pull away from me,
because it's fucking bleeding.
nothing's bleeding.
It will be. Go away or let me get up.
You're not getting up till I get another unit here.
What do you think?
What you got? Battery on LEO says you wanted to shoot the clerk. So let's go ahead and get up. Come on, stand up. Stand up.
Touch me.
Got that son? Stand up. Let's go. We're walking to my car.
Go to the car. Left or right?
Inside.
Okay, now you got yourself another job. How's that?
I don't fucking
You're not getting
care.
straight on me.
Got her.
Open the door.
Hang on. Get this out of here. Go ahead and put her in there. Get her in
Oh
there.
shit! I got
Get in.
myself in.
Well, sit in. Get in.
I said I get myself in.
Get in the fucking car.
You might need.
You okay, sir?
Yeah, I'm fine. All right.
Come on out. What are you doing? Don't fight me. Don't fight me. Wait, she's got a seatbelt. She's trying to grab me. Put that seatbelt over there. Come on, get out. Get out. Let go of that mask. Come on.
Oh my god!
Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. Hand behind your back. Stay right there.
Got it.
Legs forward.
Got it.
One. Stop grabbing. Stop grabbing.
Stop